Hey everybody, it's Mark here from the JYDOG channel. One about the box camper series. Anyway, about to reach 250 subscribers, and I just wanted to say that I really appreciate you guys watching me, and never thought there'd be so many people out there interested in what I was doing. And now that I know that there is, I'm going to start investing in my equipment. So I know you guys have put up with my bad audio quality for quite a while and everything, and I'm finally going to be able to do something about it. I've been shooting with the Garmin Verb. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this. Probably, you know, not the most popular thing for YouTube videos, but I think the video is pretty good quality. Does fast frame rate, and it's got a wide angle lens. So I'd like to continue using the camera even though the microphone is terrible. If you look on the back here, that little hole, it's kind of hard to make out. The little hole right there is actually the microphone on this thing, and as long as it's in this little cradle right here, that's why I'm getting bad, well, not to mention the microphone's just not that good, bad audio. So what I've done is I ordered a this little dongle that plugs in the back right here, and then I can put a 3.5mm jack and put another external microphone in here. I ordered a small Rode video microphone, and I'm hoping that that is going to really improve the audio. But just want to let you know that I appreciate you guys putting up with the bad audio. I know everybody's been complaining about it and everything, and I've now that I know people are actually interested in what I have to say, I'm going to invest in my channel and hopefully get you guys some better audio so you can hear what I'm saying. Thanks again, everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it. 250 subscribers is more an accomplishment than I ever thought I was going to have. So keep watching. Thanks. Here is my cable stage for the tailgate, and I was just going to show you how I made that. Get these ferrule and stop set. I'm just using the ferrule part, though I don't believe in the need the stops. Okay, start with a piece of cable here. I think this is 3/16 inch, or maybe the next size smaller because I've got it. It's that plastic coated. Basically, it's pretty simple. Just loop it through. Oh, put this on first. Loop it through. Kind of cinch it up. Make it look like my other one. Loop it through. Yeah, I'm buying stainless steel fasteners and everything. You know, whenever I get a chance, it's only, you know, a couple cents more in most cases, but keep this thing from rusting. All right, so just kind of get the twist out of it. I'm gonna do the bottom one first. See, I don't have a tool for doing it, so I'm going to use a set of these. It's the only thing I could find that would put enough force on it to crimp it, but you gotta stop yourself before you cut it in half. Pretty good gash in that one. And I do 3 of them because I figured 3 would hold better than just doing 1. One side, and I go back. Pretty much got the other side. I go back to the other side and just kind of even it out a little bit. Anyway. I don't know if you're going to be able to tighten them though. We'll start right here, and I want you to tighten these down. I want you to put this right in here, and I'm going to hold the other side. This is the side you can put all the torque on, so I need you in here tightening these down.
Like this.
Using landscape wire, 12-2, 100 foot.
What's that for?
It's for the 12-volt system.
Get out there yourself, Mark. Get out there. You know what you should do? You should have like that time lapse of this working and all that, and then you should just have like 3 times. In the middle of it, just have this relaxing like this. You should do that.
Hey, this is Mark from the JYDOG channel, the one that's all about the Box Camper Series project right now. This channel is all about getting out there and building stuff and learning from your experiences. Whether you know what you're doing when you start or not, it's all about learning and sharing ideas. So I appreciate you guys commenting on my videos, and please get out there, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can learn from each other. And get out there and build your dream instead of buying it.